In this video, I'll be competing against another Photoshop artist. We are given the same stock images and are totally free to turn them whatever we want using Photoshop. The guy I'll be competing with is MD Miraz. He is a digital artist lives in Bangladesh. I saw his fabulous artworks on Instagram, so I thought to have a Photoshop battle with this guy. And the theme of this artwork is science fiction, so we both have found these stock photos according to science fiction theme. Before we start it, let's have a look at some rules. We can't add any other images to our artwork except for these selected images. We have to use at least 10 images. We can only use Photoshop and Camera Raw. The artwork ratio must be 4 to 5. We are totally free to use any brushes and overlays. Let's not waste any more time and start the battle. It's up to you to decide who created the best artwork. So, vote for your favorite artwork on the community tab poll. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you like the overall content. And also hit the bell to stay notified about the future uploads. Till then, I look forward to reuniting with you guys in my next video.